It's time. We're gonna try to do away with this stock stuff we got going on with the Superjet. Got hooked up with some buddies. He had a spare Kaufman pipe, so we're gonna try to get this thing cleaned up and get it stuck in here, and probably change the head as well. That one's been shaved down. Get a little more compression. Pop this one off. So we're gonna try to do this. Get this knocked out. Got the Kaufman pipe, all that hooked up. Got everything hooked up to the water box. Now all I gotta do is put the fuel tank back in and battery. Put that cover on there. I've already got it tore down to 20 foot-pounds. Got everything back in here. Got it all bolted up, snugged up. And I have fired it up for just a couple seconds. Wasn't able to hold myself on while I was doing that, just in case something went wrong. I was able to grab stuff. So tomorrow I'm gonna take it out, and it's dark. And tomorrow we're gonna take it out and see how it is. Check the plug and see if we need to richen it up some, since it's probably gonna run a little lean now with this pipe. But we're gonna check out and see. Power gains from the Kaufman. I heard it's about the same, not the same as a factory, but just the next step below a factory pipe. So we'll see how it does. And alright, so now we've got the Kaufman's exhaust on here and everything, and still waiting on a couple more parts, but I was going to give you a little sound clip of what it sounds like with the Kaufman. So
sounds like a Cam's motor. It landed on me. Where is the beach? I thought I left it right here. Whoa. I'm not sure if fat guys are supposed to be riding these things. I feel better now. And the worst part is, we're disturbing those people's night over there.
I'll get over. The worst thing about Superjets. Superjets. They just take off when you fall off. They don't care about you. They just don't care about you.